Hi friends, Phil Nightingale, General Manager at Mel Hambelton Ford, coming to you from the big corner with a Dr. Phil tip of the day. Okay, what's worse than going out in your car and guess what? It won't start. When I mean don't start, it doesn't do anything. It just won't click. It's all it does, it won't start. I know it happens all the time at the right opportune place. No, it doesn't. It always happens when you're caught in the rainstorm somewhere in a quick hurry or anything else like that and that car won't start. There's nothing more infuriating and frustrating than not being able to get your car started. Well, guess why it won't start? Right here, it's called corrosion on your battery terminals. Now this one is got so much corrosion around here, and you're gonna say, well, what causes that? Well, every battery as it sits here is putting up fumes. Can't stop it. That's the only way the battery can be made to do that. So this corrosion builds, creates resistance, and then guess what? Your car won't start. To run your car, it only takes 20, 30 amps. To start this truck, it takes about 300 amps. Well, 300 amps can't get through all that. The worst part about this is how far has this corrosion traveled down into the cables and ate away. That's why you need to do a BG battery terminal service, and I recommend it once a year. And basically, we got this great stuff in here that goes in and neutralizes all that acid, gets it cleaned up and everything. Then we take a little pad on the bottom side of here and put down on the bottom side under here to help stop those fumes from coming up the best we can. And then we top it off with a little bit of battery terminal service cleaner to seal off the top and try to keep that corrosion out of there. This can turn into a costly repair by the time you figure a tow bill, how much these cables are, because some of these cables in these cars today, with all the electricity we run through these cars, takes a lot of current, a lot of stuff. And this cable can run clear down in here. You got hundreds of dollars worth of cables, let alone here. To do a simple service, it's like $30 to have this service done, completely ready to go. Do it once a year. It saves you a lot of headache, a lot of hassle, and makes sure your car will start every time. Anyway, it's Dr. Phil coming with your tip of the day. We'll talk to you next time.